Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So let's go straight into doing this video. Okay, so I'm going to show you one after the other. Here, as you can see here, I have my sanitizer. So hygiene is very important. Okay, so I'm using this hand sanitizer to sanitize my hands, and then I have my skincare products here. I have this, okay, whether you have oily skin or dry skin, these two, this is from Cosrx. I have the Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence, and then I also have their all-in-one moisturizer, as you can see. And then beauties, here I have my MAC Hyper Real set, perfect for makeup. And then because the color of the day for the makeup is green, gold, white and pink, a kind of, so I decided to go with these three eyeshadow palettes from MAC. Yeah, I have 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so I have my brushes. Here are my foundation brushes. I don't know if I might need more, but these are the ones that I'm taking. And here are my powder brushes. Here are my concealer brushes. Okay, I love this angle brush from Sephora. Yeah, so I'm going to use these two brushes to apply my skincare products, or maybe I will use my hand. And then I have my eyeshadow brushes in case. Then I have my beauty blender. This is from Original Beauty Blender. I have 3. And then I have my brushes here for contour and powder, and also for setting my under eyes. And then I have my eyebrow brush, as you can see. Yeah, then I have my micellar water. This is from Garnier. I love this brand so much. And then I also have my MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. Yeah, I don't know whether I can open it for you to see how it is looking. Yeah, so I love using the yellow there, okay, to set the under eyes to give it that bright effect. And then I have my eyeshadow primer, very important. And then I have my Becca primer, my MAC primer. Then I have my mascara in case if they want to apply mascara. And then I have my false tweezers, okay, false lashes tweezers, in case if we're going to apply falsies. And then beauties, here I have my blushes. I have my MAC Paint Pot in case if they need it. And then here I have my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I have this in the shade Give Me Sun, Dark Deep, and then Medium Deep in case. Then I have my spatula, and then this mixing plate in case I want to mix foundation or whatever. And then beauties, here I have my MAC Strobe Body Lotion in case if they want to have that glow on their collarbone or anywhere on their skin. I have my cotton pad, okay, for hygiene. I have my falsies here. And then beauties, when you come here, I have my MAC what's it called, MAC Studio Fix concealer palette. And then I have my NARS, and then I also have my NARS soft matte, okay. And then when you come here, these are my setting powder. This is from MAC. I have from Sacha Buttercup, and then from Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Setting Powder. And then over here I have my highlighter Gold Deposit and Cheeky Bronze from MAC. Okay, then here are my setting sprays. Okay, in case if the one of them has a kind of dry skin, I can use my e.l.f. Dewy spray to set, or I can use any of these. Yeah, then I have this my MAC Mixing Medium Gel. Beauties, whenever I am applying a glitter or a shimmer eyeshadow on the eyes, I use this. And when you use this MAC Mixing Medium, I tell you that eyeshadow is not going to transfer or be all over your eyes. Yeah, so what else do I have here? I have my lipsticks, because they told me they want to wear green eyeshadow, so I brought some nudes and then some red in case. Yeah. And then what I'm seeing here, they are my flower pots beauties, but honestly I use it for my makeup brushes because they are so handy. Can you see? You just carry it like this. Okay, I have it too, green and then pink. So beauties, again here are my disposable lip ones. You know, hygiene is very important. You don't have to dip a lipstick, apply it on someone else and go back. And then I also have my disposable mascara ones in case. Very important. And then I have hair clips in case if I can clip their hair out of the way. Yeah. And then I have my Elf brow lift, you know, for setting the brow, to make the brow to be in place. Okay, I think I have showed everything that I needed here. And then I have this my hand fan. Okay, I have this my hand fan to make product dry very fast before moving to the next level. So beauties, and another thing again that I didn't show you guys is cosmetics tape when doing your eyeshadow. Okay, to have that crisp eyeshadow application. Yeah. So what else? And then here beauties, I have my brow pencil. One is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, two is from MAC, and then my best brow pencil from Catrice. This one is darker than the rest. This one is Spike, and this one is Todd. And then from Anastasia Beverly Hills, dark brown. So I don't know whether they love dark brows or light brows. So that's why I am going with different colors. Yeah, so what else do I need to show you beauties? So, okay, now the next thing that I will do now is to start packing the makeup product, because tomorrow I will be going to work. I will not have time to do it tomorrow. So I'm going to do it today. Hopefully I'm going to take you all along. And then Saturday again, beauties, I'm going to do a separate video driving with me to where I'm going to do the model's makeup and then the makeup application and the final look. Hopefully I'm going to cover everything because I'm honestly going alone, no help. So beauties, that is it. I don't know whether there is something else that I still need to show you, but for now, these are the things that I'm taking along. Like I said, be gentle. This is my first time, you know, doing something like this. Okay, I always do it on myself. You know, I've done it to one or two people, but actually going out to do it, this is my first time. So I hope you will be kind and you will like this video. Okay, so beauties, let me stop talking and then get my things packing. I don't honestly have a makeup this their pro makeup artist box that they used to pack, so I'm going to take my traveling box, but then I have all those small cosmetics bag where I can pack everything. Yeah, so when I get there, I assemble it the same way I did it here and then go on with the makeup application. So beauties, like I said, let me stop talking and then get everything packed. Catch you later.